Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Mazda 6 wagon, stock reference number 5550. The shape runs from the 2nd month 2008 through to the 11th month 2012. It has an R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. Bonnet has one small dent. Left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door has no damage. We have the left-hand tail light. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tailgate garnish. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right-hand side skirt. Right rear door has one small dent, right front door has two small dents, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, manual center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.